Hello everyone, and welcome to Galaxy 89 Cars. Today, I'm bringing you an exterior and interior overview and hill climb launch video of the new 2019 Mercedes-Benz A45S from the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Coming after the recently unveiled A35, the A45S is the new AMG hot hatch range topper and builds on the impressive platform of the previous A45. The A45S is powered by a front-mounted, single twin-scroll turbocharged, 2-litre 4-cylinder engine that produces 415 brake horsepower and 500 Nm of torque. Despite the car weighing 1635 kilograms, this output produces a 0 to 62 mph or 100 km/h time of 3.9 seconds and a limited top speed of 155 mph. This power is deployed through AMG's 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system that, via drive modes and an all-new drift mode, will allow the driver to adjust front and rear power bias for more or less dynamic driving. It now also comes with a rear torque vectoring system that spreads power independently through the rear wheels for enhanced cornering. This is all fed through a new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. This car is sitting on new front and rear black 19-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels that come with enlarged rims. Braking is provided by AMG Performance Brakes, 360mm at the front. Looking at the exterior, we find a Pan America-style grille with winglets on either side, presumably thanks to the optional aero pack. Above, the LED daytime running lights are now presented in an inverted style to before. At the rear, we find the distinctive rooftop wing with its lower wings that help to provide slightly more downforce. Moving down, we find a more aggressive and multi-layered rear diffuser in comparison to the A35, and a quad-exit sports exhaust as opposed to the A35's dual-exit exhaust. Inside, we find the refined and well-put-together interior we've grown used to from AMG, with the bucket seats and steering wheel that are shared with far more expensive models. This car is presented in the Edition 1 spec with the lower racing stripes and decal found to the right of the dash. So that concludes my exterior and interior overview of this 2019 Mercedes-Benz A45S from the 2019 Goodwood Festival of Speed. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe for the latest content.